Hi, today we are going to learn about synthetic fibers and plastics. Okay, and it is in two types, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fibers are produced from plants and animals, and synthetic fibers are man-made fibers or textile fibers made by human beings and natural materials of petrochemicals. And okay, what are synthetic fibers? First, synthetic fibers are made up from chemicals of petrochemicals, and natural fibers are made up from plants and animals. Okay, and synthetic fibers will be shining like anything, and natural fibers will be like you can see that cotton shirt. I'll show. Okay, I'll show now. It will be cotton shirt. You can see cotton shirt. Okay, images. Yes, it will be like this. Here you can see this is cotton shirt. There will be a no shine on it, and you can see this shirt. It is made by synthetic, so it is so shining and so nice. So this is the difference between natural and synthetic fiber. And what are synthetic fibers? A synthetic fiber as well as plastic is made up from a chain of small units called monomers. You can see monomers single cell. It will be like I'll show about monomers again. These are I'll show. Yes, this is called monomer. It will be between it will be like some wall, and there will be connection between like this. You can see it will be connection like between, and it is not for 8th class. It is for 10th and +2 classes. And don't think about this, which combine to form polymers. Monomers are combine and form polymers. And we can see next one. Polymers is a Greek word in which mean poly and many and mer. Polymer. Poly means many and mer means unit. And he was telling that polymers is a Greek word. You can see here. Polymers is a Greek word in which poly means many and mer means units. And if you want, you can see in it Google it. Sorry, what is this? Okay, hence polymers are large molecule made up of several molecules or monomers linked together. Means you can see here. Yeah, you can see here. Cotton fiber is mostly cellulose with cellulose in made up of chains of sugar glucose linked together in certain way. You can see here links. I'll show. Here you can see links. And like that it will be linked. And polymerization, next topic is polymerization reaction. The process of linking small monomers together to form polymer is called polymerization. Means he was telling that linking small monomers together to form a polymer is called polymerization. He was telling that you can see beads of the chain. It will be linked and form a chain. Like that only, a small monomers it will be linked together to form a polymer. It is called polymerization. And types of synthetic fibers you can see in next one. Rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic is some synthetic fibers. And rayon, we can see about rayon now. And rayon also known as artificial silk. It will be like silk, it seems. Rayon made up of wood pulp, naturally occurring cellulose. Rayon is made from wood pulp, it seems, naturally occurs cellulose. Okay, next one. Absorbs moisture and comfortable to wear. Means it will absorb moisture feeling and comfortable to wear. You can see swimming cloth and it will be like elastic. Rayon will be more elastic. And nylon also same. Nylon, first synthetic made entirely from chemicals, made up of coal, petroleum, oil, air and water. Nylon is made from coal, petroleum oil and water. It seems first synthetic made entirely from chemicals. Nylon is nylon is a synthetic fiber made from all the chemicals. And nylon is strong, elastic, wrinkle resistant, absorbs very little water and easy to wash. And polyester made from monomer called ester, manufactured from petroleum, acrylic, lightweight. Polyester is made from monomer called ester, and polyester is manufactured from petrol. And polyester is extremely strong, chemical resistant, wrinkle resistant and durable. Does not absorb water easily and quick to dry. Now we can see about acrylic. Acrylic is lightweight, soft, warm like wool. Wrinkle resistant, does not shrink, cheaper than wool. Can be dyed easily in variety of colors. Okay, we can see next one. Yes, so much lesson is there. And we can divide it into part. Yes, you can see it is like cotton and this one is rayon. And okay, now we can learn about this. Cotton is a natural fabric, whereas rayon is a semi-synthetic one. And rayon is versatile fiber and can imitate in the feel texture of silk, wool, cotton and linen with the drape of slipperiness akin to nylon. Why nylon is called artificial silk? He was asking that why rayon is called artificial silk. Rayon resembles silk in appearance, texture and shine. Hence it is also known as artificial silk. It will be rayon resembles in silk in appearance. It will be seen as and look as silk. And texture and shine. Texture and shine in also it is good, and hence it is also known as artificial silk. It is also known as artificial silk, it seems. And silk fiber was discovered in China and made from silkworms. It had beautiful texture and was very costly. And silk is very costly and rayon is very cheap cost but more facilities. By the end of 19th century, scientists managed to make a artificial silk like fiber made from treating wood pulp chemically. In 19th century, scientists think that silk we can make artificial silk like fibers by treating wood pulp chemically. They thought like that and made rayon, and uses of rayon we can see now. Uses of rayon. This is a man-made fiber using natural material wood pulp and can be woven like silk fiber. Silk silk. Okay, I'll read again. This man-made fiber used naturally from wood pulp and can be woven like silk fiber. It is cheaper than silk and can be dyed in variety of colors. It can be make apparel like suits, slacks, jackets, etc. And you can wear some jackets of rayon and make automobile tire cords because of its strength. Means you can see car near car tires there will be a threads, and it is also made from rayon it seems, and mixed with cotton to make bed sheets and bedspreads, and it mixed with some bed sheets and to make bedspreads. And this is you can see part 2 video also. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and like if you like this video, and if you dislike you can comment it why you dislike. And thanks for watching my video. Bye.